you drinking?
Shot? Oh. You want one? I'll go grab a PA.
No. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
So you got the extra whipped cream in there, huh?
Yeah.
Yummers. Cram in as much fat fuck as possible, huh?
Is something wrong?
You think I haven't seen you? Shoving back 2 dozen cupcakes in the break room? 9 servings of Mira's truffle risotto night?
Hey, man. You know, I need 30,000 calories a day.
Maybe when you actually ran, you did. But now you're just eating your feelings, making us look ridiculous. Fastest man alive, what a fucking joke. What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say to me?
I'm sorry. Shit. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it.